Imagine waking up to this awe-inspiring view every day. The property's strategic location offers an unobstructed ocean vista, where the tides paint the landscape with hues of blue and the sunsets are a daily masterpiece. Nestled within nature's embrace, this beachfront oasis is also a short drive away from the heart of Cabangan's downtown. Experience the convenience of urban life while maintaining your connection with the serene coastal environment. Welcome to the haven of tranquility and beauty, where the essence of coastal living comes alive. We are pleased to introduce to you a remarkable opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Cabangan, Zambales. As the sun kisses the ocean, enjoy unobstructed panoramic views of the cerulean waters stretching out before you. With every sunrise and sunset, nature's masterpiece unfolds just beyond your doorsteps. So let's begin. Hi, I'm Daranava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel, where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to the paradise on the shores of Cabangan, Zambales. Nestled in the heart of this coastal gem, we present a rare opportunity to own your piece of oceanfront bliss. A beachfront haven spanning over 700 square meters of prime coastal real estate, these generous expanse provide the canvas for your dream retreat, where the soothing rhythm of the waves becomes your personal soundtrack. As the sun kisses the ocean, enjoy unobstructed panoramic views of the cerulean waters stretching out before you. With every sunrise and sunset, nature's masterpiece unfolds just beyond your doorsteps. Convenience meets serenity. This beachfront paradise is merely a short drive away from the downtown Cabangan. ensuring you're never far from the life's essentials. Whether it's shopping, dining, or simply exploring the local culture, everything is within reach. Step inside your private oasis where modern comforts blend seamlessly with coastal charm. Imagine waking up to the gentle lull of the ocean, as every room of this exquisite property is designed to maximize your connection with the sea. Beyond your haven lies a welcoming community where neighbors become friends and beachside adventures are a way of life. From water sports to leisurely strolls along the shore, every day presents new opportunities to make memories that will last a lifetime. Indulge in the open-air luxury of your own backyard. Bask in the sun on your private terrace, host gatherings under the stars, or simply relax with a book while the ocean breeze whispers through the palms. Welcome to the world where the ocean's embrace meets the comfort of home. This beachfront property in Cabangan, Zambales offers not just a house but a lifestyle, a seamless blend of coastal beauty and urban convenience. Don't miss your chance to own this slice of paradise. Inquire now and let your beachfront dreams come true.
Ay, pwede po dito basta hindi permanent structure. Opo, mga cottage. Huwag lang po yung permanent.
The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. Whether you envision building a luxurious retreat, a charming seaside cottage, or simply holding on to this prime piece of land as an investment, the choice is yours. Envision lounging under the shade of your own palm trees, the sand beneath your feet, and the gentle sea breeze enveloping you in a sense of serenity. This is not just a property, it's an invitation to craft your personal sanctuary.
Saan, sir? Ay, hindi po. Ano yan?
And whether it's sunrise yoga sessions by the shore, beachside barbecues with loved ones or special someone, or simply savoring quiet moments as the waves provide the soundtrack, this beachfront property in Cabangan, Zambales is ready to become the backdrop of your cherished moments. Don't miss the chance to make this coastal paradise your own. Contact us today and turn your beachfront dreams into reality. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and tripping through our contact number posted. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status and other due diligence.
Parang mula sa bahay papunta ng palengke natin sa Bukawi.
Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this because we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe. And if you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and on our YouTube channel so you'll never miss properties like this. This is Darren Shanava, your host, signing off. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.